It's 5 in the goddamn morning. It's been on since I went to sleep. I was in the bed around like 12. So we heard an alarm right at 2 o'clock. And it's sitting right by our gate. It's been ringing ever since with that same fucking alarm. I am so fucking tired. In the night! This piece of shit is on! It's driving me crazy. Asshole! This just to look at that because I want someone to know whose that card is. I don't care. Fuck you. Where the fuck are you to leave your fucking card in front of my fucking building where people are trying to fucking sleep? I'll fucking sue you for putting your fucking card in here. Piece of shit. Where the fuck are you to leave your car? Where are you, huh? Are you in somewhere up to the crowd? Piece of shit. So, if you have trouble with car alarms, call 311 and just tell them. And traffic patrol unit will come by and probably disable the alarm sound. But I guess the car still be alarmed, but there's not going to be no sound. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was very frustrating, and it kind of think I'm not really happy. My ear hurts so much. Oh, hearing it just hurts so much. Alright, enjoy your St. Patrick's Day.